My IELTS writing score, not understanding, man. It's not going up. I just don't understand if IELTS is a scam. Always stuck at 5.5, sometimes 6, 6.5, but not reaching that 7 line. And you know what? I have a deadline to submit. Within 2 weeks, I need that IELTS 7 or 7.5. What I have to do? I really hope if you have this question, you are at the right place. Just make sure you watch the video till the end. I hope you will not be disappointed and you will get a perfect solution on what you should be doing for the next 2 weeks if you got to see those 7 bands in your IELTS writing. Trust me, this guy has got everything covered. Just make sure you watch the video till the end. Hey everybody, Nakul here from Skills IELTS. I really hope everybody is doing fantastic. Well, as told, today I am going to talk about how to improve your IELTS writing score in less than 2 weeks. Well, is that possible, Nakul? I've been trying since 1 year. 100%, 10% possible. You just need the right approaches. Recently, I made a video on how to improve IELTS reading in 2 weeks. You can have a look at it perhaps if you have missed it. But today's focus is purely on writing. Well, before that, if not subscribed to this channel, kindly click on the subscribe button for the future notifications. And any point of time you need online assistance, one-to-one essay feedback. A lot of people are getting 7.58 in our course. I hope you have seen the same in the YouTube Shorts and Instagram page as well. You can text us and avail for the course. We will be there. I will be there. Happy to assist you. It's an online paid course. Any point of time you can text us. Alright. So, let's get to the actual matter. How to improve the IELTS writing in 2 weeks. Well, let me just share my screen and show you what I have got. Well, I have divided this into day 1 to 2, 3 to 6 and second week. Day 1 to 2, make use of this tool called ChatGPT. Recently, I made a video on what ChatGPT is, this AI tool. How to learn IELTS from the ChatGPT. The video is somewhere here. You can have a look into this as well. You will make most of it, I promise you. But in this video also, I will give you a little snippet of what ChatGPT can do. You just type ChatGPT in the Google, the prompt will open. Click login with a Google Gmail and then sign in. You can type the IELTS question and ask below that, give me specific ideas. It will give you best ideas. And why am I telling you this is, your IELTS writing essay will be evaluated with respect to 4 components: task response, coherence, cohesion, vocabulary, grammar. Of all the things, task response is the thing that matters the most, and 99% of the people have problems in task response. Question is, what is your name? Answer is my father's name. This they don't realize because the question is so tricky, which we don't even understand. We interpret it the way we want it. So, this is the problem with a lot of people, and ChatGPT can be a real friend who can help you in a guide way. Task response is the idea generation, knowing the right ideas, and I have tried many questions in the ChatGPT. For all of them, it gave proper relevant ideas. So, you can type the question and check the ideas with the chat in the ChatGPT. I hope you will not be disappointed. You will gain a lot of things and learn which question, what idea, which question, what idea. Make some 200 questions list, type there, make the ideas, revise them, memorize them. This way, you will not have this problem of task response, and when there is no problem of task response, 90% of the times people get at least 7. In addition, you got to read at least 1 hour of reading newspaper, because there could be a question in the exam which you don't have a clue about. How do you do it? Or you know about it, but you are not getting enough ideas because you don't have much inside here. For that, you need to put the things inside this. For that, reading activity, reading a newspaper is the best option. Article, magazine, newspaper, start reading it. Trust me, 1 hour without fail, even on Sundays, things will just follow. So, let us talk about what you should be doing from day 3 to day 6. The first thing is grammar is very important. When you read newspaper, automatically a lot of grammar things will be fixed without you unconsciously knowing it. But apart from that, having knowledge on simple sentence, compound sentence, complex sentence actually helps you, because in IELTS essay writing or letter writing or describe image, you need to mix these 3 sentences. So, having knowledge about this definitely helps. I made many videos on that. You can check my YouTube channel, or in the YouTube there are a lot of people. You can just type simple, compound, complex sentences. Many videos, many channels are there giving you right information. That is the first thing you should be doing, and you should be using that in your essay or task 1 as well. Second thing, don't forget, this was a series that I started 2.5 years ago and eventually had to stop for some reason, but I am going to start again. But this was the hit. Lot of people loved it. This was a series where I made from day 1 to day 10. Every day I came up with 1 essay question and the review for it. That's where lot of people made use of it, understood their mistakes, the reality. It's not writing 10 vocabulary, use this 10 vocabulary words to get 800% not. It's not going to make any difference to your scores. Use these words, use these collocations. No, it's the task response, it's the coherence cohesion. So, watch this video, the link is in the description, day 1 to day 10. I am telling you, you will definitely feel it's worth spending the time on it. This will help you understand where you are going wrong. It's not about just writing, getting feedback, attempting exam. It's about knowing, where am I going wrong here? I am not understanding. You watch this, you will understand the reality. And then there is one more video that I made for coherence cohesion, that is the template of the structure. How to structure your essay. First para, second para, third para, fourth para, second para or third para. Inside it, how to structure. That's most important. For a band 9, for a band 7, how to structure. For a band 7.5, right, how to structure. Everything is there. Is a 1-hour video. It's there in a premium course as well for the registered students. Here as well we have put it. Make use of it. It's one of the best things that you can do. This you finish it in the first week. Second week is very simple. First week the base is set. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. 10 2s are 20. 100 plus 100, 200. All the basic is perfect. Week 2. You're going to take up bigger mathematical problems. Week 2, you're going to take up the actual things. Write and get the feedback. Now, how do I get the feedback? For feedback, perhaps no one would be able to do it for free because it costs a lot of time. If you want to enroll with our paid course, we will be definitely guide you in a right way, but it's not free. Very sorry on that. But you can check my videos on reviews and understand what mistakes you have done. But yes, perhaps you need the feedback. I mean, if it was possible to do it on your own, I would have told you, but I am here to give you right information. Day 7 to 14, you need to write and get the feedback. Write, and probably you can, if you don't want to invest on a course, you can ask your friends, peer, to do a peer review and you reviewing his. That may not be completely foolproof solution because you need an expert you need someone who knows the things. But yes, I leave it up to you, but this is most important. 1 week at least you need to write some 20 essays. Every day 2 essay or 2 to 3 essays, sorry, at least 18-20 essays you need to write and understand what mistakes you make. The more mistakes you make, the more you understand. Then putting all this together in the exam, 100% you're going to make it to 7. It's possible. All of students have done it in the past, even now, even 8. Just need the right guidance. It's all the task response and the coherence cohesion. It is not use these 10 words, do this technique, one technique for 8 bands, all those things. I'm telling you, unsubscribe. It's not going to give you market, you're not going to get them more views, and you are contributing them to make money. As simple as that. I should not reveal this, but this is the truth. Task response and coherence cohesion. Trust me, for this you need the feedback. I have told whatever I can in this video to guide you in a right way. Any point of time you need online assistance, you can text us. With this, we will park it here. This is Nakul from Skills IELTS. I hope you liked my video. You can share it with your friends. If you like the video, click on the like button, and you want me to make more videos on something, do leave a comment. I'll definitely come back at the earliest. Alright, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for the future notification. This is Nakul signing off from Skills IELTS. Soon I'll be back. Till then, take care. Thanks much.